Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with the Dollar Tree haul. And before I get into my haul, I'm just going to tell you, Kiki came to tell us something too. Go on, Kiki. Always has to get into it, always. Anyway, I am just going to admit up front that I have a problem. I told my husband when I got back from the Dollar Tree that I should not be allowed to go there by myself. I literally went in there for one item, just one item. I needed two of the same item, and it was a hit or miss whether or not I was going to find it. But as true to my form, I went up every single aisle in the Dollar Tree store, and I came out with a gigantic bag of stuff. So this is the haul of the stuff, okay? So, yeah, I'm going to start out with some of the non-crafty related things, and then we will move on to that other stuff in a minute. So it is getting to be holiday season, and I usually do a certain amount of baking. I do like to make candies and cookies, so I need parchment paper, and I did notice I was out of it in my pantry, so got another package of that. I picked up another one of their Vent hairbrushes. I did get one earlier this year, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd get another one just to have as a spare. And I do work in an office with a lot of paper. And then, of course, I come home and I work with paper when I paper craft, so my hands are perpetually dry. So I'm going to give this Utterly Smooth Hand Cream a try. It says it absorbs fast, it is without a greasy residue, moisturizes for up to 24 hours, and it's for rough, dry skin. So I'm going to give that a try and we'll see. Can't go wrong for $1.25, right? Then I picked up a box of Arm & Hammer baking powder, or baking soda. And what I plan to do with this is put it near Kiki's litter box because I don't like the smell of the cat litter that I've been buying. It's not the fact that it's the cat box because I clean that every day, but the litter itself has some kind of smell to it that bothers me. So I'm going to put this by the box and see if that doesn't help out. And then I ran out of rubbing alcohol, and while we use this for a variety of different things, I also use it in my craft room for cleaning my rubber stamps, for wiping down my work surface. So I fill up this little pump bottle that I also got at the Dollar Tree a long time ago, and it's almost empty, and so is my bottle that I keep in the bathroom. So I picked up another bottle of that. So those are some miscellaneous items. And because also it is getting to be the holidays, I normally cook Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner, but this year we've been invited to other places, so I picked up some of the aluminum pans so that I can make dishes to take with me when I go. So I got the smaller ones and then this size here. So let me put this stuff aside, and then I'm going to get into the little bit more fun stuff. Okay, a bag. I know, you say, it's a bag. It's a Christmas snowflake bag, and I packed almost all of my stuff that I bought at the Dollar Tree yesterday in this bag. And the cashier was really happy to help me out with that. She says, oh, I can pack a lot in that bag, and she was right. So for $1.25, I got this really nice, big, giant, reusable shopping bag. And I picked up some more of the snow mesh, and this one's in like a baby blue, and this one's in green. What I really wanted was pink, and they had no pink. I didn't want red. I have red already, so I thought I'd just pick these up to add to my colors in my stash. So those are the meshes I got. And these I actually got for my Christmas tree. They are not the light up ones. They did have light up ones, and I do like to put icicles on my tree, but I noticed that last year when we were packing the tree away, that a lot of them, the tops where you put the hooks were breaking off, and I saw these and I said, you know what, these will probably work just fine. So I grabbed 2 packs of those. So those are cute. And I have not bought these before, but I see a lot of people using them. This is the mesh tube. I don't know if you want to call it ribbon or not, but people use it to tie the packages and different things like that. So I picked up a pink and a white. Let's see, I picked up a bag of bells for dangles. And then I found these really, really pretty stick-on jemmies. They're just calling them stickers, but aren't they pretty? I love how shiny and sparkly they are. So those are really going to be cute for Christmas crafting. Let's see. I did pick up these are multicolor of the same type. Really, really cute. Love all the colors there, so I can use those year round. Then I picked up another pack of these little, they call them mini wavy plates. And these are the little dishes that I use when I'm showing my beads and whatnot during my hauls. So I keep a big stack of these over here, but sometimes I purchase so many that I don't have enough of these dishes. So I just picked up another pack, and I think, let's see, how many's in here? There are 12 in a pack. And actually, I think when I originally bought these, there were only 8 in a pack. So yeah, score with that. Love those. And then this is what I actually went into the store for. Okay, so Lacey from the Cheeky Bum is hosting a Christmas slim, I don't know if she's calling it a trinket box or an embellishment box swap, and I am signed up with 2 different partners. Then I picked up an extra one just to have in case I want to send some happy mail to someone. So this is what I actually went into the store for. Yep, can't wait to get started on that swap. Then, of course, I ran down the tool aisle and found these boxes here. And, you know, we're great about putting our beads and little findings and whatnot in these. And this is actually a larger box than the ones I usually pick up. But I like this because it's got some bigger sections. And these pieces here don't come out. Whereas in the other boxes, they come out. And sometimes beads get underneath and go into the next compartment. So I did pick up these 2. They were the only 2 they had in the store, so I will be using those in my stash. I picked up some of these Snuggadoodles. Very, very soft and cute. Love these, and these will probably go into some swaps or some Christmas gifts. I picked up 2 of these really cute gift boxes. They got the Woody station wagon with the Christmas tree on it. So season's greetings and the little farmhouse in the background. And then the side has a little farm on it. And that's the same all the way around. And the bottom is like a wood grain paneling. And I did get 2 of those, and I thought these would be good for gift boxes, even storing stuff in the sewing room or Christmas ornaments, whatever you want to. Also great boxes for your swaps. So I got 2 of those. And the last couple of things I got, I'm not going to show them, but there were some sweet treats that I picked up for the swaps that I'm in, and a bag of candy for myself, but I didn't say that out loud. So anyway, that's my haul from the Dollar Tree, all for 2 of these. I had a lot of fun when I was in there, and every time I put something else in my basket, I was like, why are you buying this? Why are you buying this? And why are you buying this? But still, it went into my buggy, and it went through the cash line, and it came home to my craft room. And so here we are. I hope you enjoyed seeing these things. Maybe there's something that you have not seen at your local Dollar Tree before. My Dollar Tree doesn't usually have any of the really great stuff in it, but it did have a few great things this time around, like these Snuggadoos. Oh, these are so soft. I might even go back and get a couple more pairs for myself. But anyway, so that's my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope you have a great evening. I hope you do a lot of crafting. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next crafty video. Bye, Crafty Peeps.